Hello, I welcome you to my Yoruba language class. In our class today, we will be learning the times of the day and common greetings. Alright, let's go. Today, òní. Yesterday, àná. Tomorrow, ọ̀la. Day after tomorrow, ọ̀túnla. Early morning, ìdájí. Morning, àárọ̀. Noon, ìyálẹ̀ta. Afternoon, ọ̀sán. Evening, ìrọ̀lẹ́. Night, alẹ́. Midnight, òru. Now it is time to learn some common greetings, but I would need you to be very attentive because I will be asking you to repeat these words after me. When you want to greet early in the morning, you say, Ẹ kú ìdájí. Ẹ kú ìdájí. Ẹ kú ìdájí. Now repeat after me. Ẹ kú ìdájí. When you want to greet in the morning, you say, Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Now repeat after me. Ẹ káàárọ̀. When you want to greet in the afternoon, you say, Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán. Now repeat after me. Ẹ káàsán. When you want to greet in the evening, you say, Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Now repeat after me. Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. When you want to greet in the night, you say, Ẹ káalẹ́. Ẹ káalẹ́. Ẹ káalẹ́. Now repeat after me. Ẹ káalẹ́. When you are going to bed, you say, Ó dàárọ̀. Ó dàárọ̀. Ó dàárọ̀. Now repeat after me. Ó dàárọ̀. You greet somebody that is going away by saying, Ó dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Now repeat after me. Ó dàbọ̀. When somebody returns from an outing, you greet them by saying, Ẹ káàbọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Now repeat after me. Ẹ káàbọ̀. When you come back home from an outing, you say, Ẹ kúulé. Ẹ kúulé. Ẹ kúulé. Now repeat after me. Ẹ kúulé. When you are seeing someone after a long time, you say, Ẹ kú àtijọ́. ẹ kú àtijọ́, ẹ kú àtijọ́. Now repeat after me. Ẹ kú àtijọ́. When you meet someone in the middle of a task, you say, ẹ kú iṣẹ́, ẹ kú iṣẹ́, ẹ kú iṣẹ́. Now repeat after me. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. When someone is celebrating any kind of success, you say, ẹ kú oríire, ẹ kú oríire, ẹ kú oríire. Now repeat after me. Ẹ kú oríire. When someone is feeling tired or hurt, you say, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Now repeat after me. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. We have come to the end of the lecture. We will meet in the next class.